Yo, welcome to this video. So as you can tell, I've made quite a bit of videos making, wearing the same thing here. And today I have a challenge for myself to make like freaking tons of videos within like 5 hours. So that's what I'm doing. So here's another one. This is Matt Parr. Now this kid is a baller with YouTube. He's got 9 other YouTube channels he doesn't even show his face with. This is one of his, okay? Definitely recommend learning YouTube from this kid here. He is super smart with it, okay? I took his course, I loved it, and I learned a lot of new things. As you know, I have multiple other channels that I do affiliate marketing with and some AdSense with, okay? And I've gotten millions of views on certain videos. In fact, one of my best months on Max Bounty was straight up from a viral YouTube video, okay? And then here's the thing about YouTube, like the videos last for a long, long time, okay? And so the more you have, the more traffic you're gonna get to your affiliate links over time. There's a lot of secrets to YouTube. Literally, it just never ends. Okay, so YouTube is one of the best opportunities for making money for free, like a free method without like paid traffic or anything. So I definitely recommend YouTube. Matt Parr is his name, and he's super smart. He put a lot of work in his course. If you buy his course, I will give you my course for free, straight up. It's my YouTube course. I'll give you for free. Now, all of you, I don't care who you are, you can make money with YouTube without showing your face, without making videos, or you can show your face and straight up make a lot of money too. In fact, I'd prefer for everyone to show their face. It's 100% worth it. So he teaches, a lot of videos here about how to make money without making videos. He teaches just all sorts of things for free here. Now, I've watched all these videos, and straight up, the best videos you can watch from him are his course. Okay, he's not sharing things on his free videos here about what he teaches in the course. What he teaches inside the course is insane. Okay, literally, I just can't share it because it's like locked information you have to get access to. So if you are willing to take the risk, actually, he's got a refund guarantee. The refund guarantee, and it will change your life. You also get access to a huge group of people. Okay, and it's crazy. So take action literally right now, and I'm throwing in a huge bonus also. So it's more than worth your money. He should be charging like $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 for this course. Like I wouldn't even care. I'd just buy it. Okay. Now I don't know your situation, but at the end of the day, you got to scrounge up the money and get this kid's course. Okay. What he teaches, literally within like the first week, you can make a couple videos that are the correct videos. You can make so much money with really fast. Okay. You can combine that with affiliate marketing and just crush it. Okay. Find a high ticket offer. Just make your money back with one sale. Okay, as you've seen how much money I make, literally it takes one sale just to pay for this guy's course right here. With some affiliate offers I pay out that pay high ticket. Now, if you want to do sweepstakes plus YouTube, you can get tons of conversions doing that straight up. Okay, and we teach all of that in my course. In his course, you get my course for free when you buy. Link is in the description. Go check out more videos after watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you later. Peace out.